Hi everybody. We are back again with the Vices box, formerly Robb Vices. As you guys know, this is more of a luxury subscription brand. So let's get to the winter 2020 box.
This box looks interesting.
Yeah.
So I'll just show you guys the little picture of what's in the box. And
Yes,
that makes it very simple.
So excited.
Yeah. So okay.
And we've loved their last couple boxes.
Apparently, this collection before you is designed to transport you to the great alpine mountains of Europe.
Love those mountains.
Here you have everything you need for a warm, a press ski. I don't know this word. A press. Let me know in the comments. The Emily Henry crock is handmade with French clay. It is uniquely crafted to withstand direct heat at high temperatures and is designed to be placed directly on the stove or grill or oven if you prefer. Your fondue crock does an amazing job with cheese, but we have provided you here with chocolates by Ticket Chocolate, specifically for your melting pleasure. Snowflake cookie by Rustic Bakery and Marshmallows, also from Ticket, are included to be luxuriously dipped into smooth, bubbling chocolate. Pair this decadent dessert with a rich Nocino by Don Ciccio and Figli. A walnut liqueur bursting Liqueur. Yeah, liqueur. Bursting with dark chocolate and spice. And don't forget the rules of fondue. If you drop what you are dipping in the pot, you must kiss the person next to you. ... With contemporary caution, of course. Contemporary caution.
I have never heard that rule.
That's COVID caution.
And the fact that I've only gone to fondue places with my mom, my dad, and my best friend.
I've never been. I don't judge me. I really don't even know. I don't really understand fondue.
Fondue?
Is that just like when you go to like
Have you been to the melting pot?
No. I'm thinking I've never been there. I'm thinking
we gotta go to the
what's that place called? The buffet?
No.
And that chocolate fountain?
No, that's just chocolate fountain. So that's
I don't know what a fondue is.
So for those who are like Leslie who don't know, fondue.
I'm sure everyone else knows.
Fondue can either be done a couple ways. You can either take a pot. Let me show you guys a pot while we're talking about it.
Yeah.
So you take a pot. This is the one they provided us, which is a nice size pot. This pot is made for the oven, the grill. You can put it in the fridge. You can put it in the microwave. It is completely durable, and it has a pour spout on the side. So what you do is you can either melt cheese in here. You can like spice up your cheese and make it really creamy, and then you can dip vegetables. Yeah, you can put vegetables in here, things like that, or you can put broth in here. Like the third course at melting pot is always a broth that you pick, and then you put in steak, and you cook it in the broth, or chicken, or what is that tuna? Mahi tuna, and you can put that in here and you cook it. I think the rule is 2 minutes on land, 1.5 minutes in sea for cooking time, and you eat it and it tastes really, really good. But don't ever go with my mom because she bogarts the sauce with the chives in it. I don't know. Every time I go with her, that sauce goes missing from the table. But she always seems to have some on her meat, and I'm in my feelings about that, as you guys can see. And then the fourth course there is when they give you your desserts. So what they do is you'll choose between like cookies and cream fondue, or you choose white chocolate fondue, or flambe fondue. And they melt that into the pot, and then you dip like strawberries, bananas in here. And so these are your dipping forks. So you dip it, and then you put it in here, and then you let it cook, or you just dip it in the chocolate and you eat it. And it keeps your hands clean. Now, normally these things are different colors, so everybody knows who's theirs, but these are all black. I love these.
And then it comes with some cacao. Okay, yeah. Chocolate.
Yes, and this is by Ticket.
Vanilla Bean Marshmallows.
Now, I could not find these exact chocolates on the website, but I saw the chocolate what you call it? Sorry. Ooh. I saw the hot chocolate sticks that were Belgian chocolate, and that went for about $4.50 on the website. So I'm guessing that pack of melting chocolate is about $40.
And some cookies.
Comes with cookies. Those Snowflake
vanilla
cookies,
butter cookies.
those cookies go for $6 a pack. This pot with the pouring spout goes for $125. The forks that she showed you earlier, here, they go for $7 for stainless steel set of 4. I found that price on Amazon. It's not the direct maker, but those are the prices that I found that were close enough to it. And this bottle of liqueur goes for $45. Did you want to try some? Okay.
Not at all.
Do you want me to try some?
I want you to do what you want to do. I want you to do what you want to do. I can try. I ain't messing with it.
Careful.
I ain't messing with it at all.
And I think they said this is like a dessert wine.
Don't smell too strong.
It says a semi-sweet liqueur with aromas of green walnuts, baking spices, vanilla, and ripe berries. With
sweet.
A long, rich finish. Legend dictates that the walnut husk used to make Nocino, is that how you pronounce it? Needs to be picked on June the 24th, the day of San Giovanni. Don Ciccio and Figli, we're going to go with that, abides by the legend and follows the same tradition for the harvest. So they only pick this one day of the year, which is hella crazy to me.
Yeah.
But they said it's tradition, so.
Just take it to the head.
What the hell? I'm going to be probably giving this bottle to somebody. What do I look like?
Giving it away. Just crazy.
And sorry for my pants, y'all.
So I wonder, okay, so are you like melting the liquor and the chocolate together?
You can put the liquor in the fondue.
Or you just drinking, or you doing your fondue, then you having your drink on the side?
I don't know the recipe for this fondue.
Okay.
But you can put liquor in fondue. It's all about taste.
I think when I taste the what was on the top, it was just sweet.
Wow.
It ain't strong. It ain't strong.
That's just me being a big ass baby.
Yeah, it's not strong at all.
It's actually sweet.
Yeah, I knew it was. Oh, excuse us. Excuse us. She got the last drop.
Yeah, that's actually not that bad. That's pretty damn smooth. I think these makers, I believe, are in DC. Yeah, these makers are in DC.
Okay.
So
DC.
shout out DC,
Okay.
my birthplace,
DC?
baby. What?
Mine too.
Okay, Dad made sure of that. Okay, one of his babies, he's born in DC.
You know, it's in me. It's all. I was raised in Maryland, but I don't know. Something happened. I don't know what happened to me, but I moved to DC when I was an adult, and I felt like I fit in more. Because I guess I'm a little rough around the edges. I've always been. So, I'm a little, even though Maryland is just like DC, especially when you're right on the border. If y'all know the area. Yeah. But always
pretty
been,
much PG County, Arlington, Virginia, all DC light.
Yeah. Alexandria. Arlington is nice. Now, in some parts of DC, y'all know the White House, you know. Go 10 minutes down the street. Actually, don't go 10 minutes down the street. Not with anything that you want to keep on you. Not with anything that you would like to keep. But yeah.
DC is just like every other place in the world. You have your good spots, your bad spots. But I'm going to rep DC till I die.
It's a lot more.
Go music for life. Don't mute DC.
I don't want to use that word.
Hashtag don't mute DC.
Facts. But their
fixing up DC. I don't want to use the word I want to use, but
Gentrification.
I didn't want to say it. But it is what it is. I mean, yeah, that's happening too. So it's getting better, but for the people that can't afford that, that's a problem. But you know, that's a whole nother topic. Okay. Well, she's getting tossed. I guess we'll let y'all know how the fondue is. I just want to eat the chocolate, dip it, but I'm on a diet.
Woo. Okay.
Okay. Anyway,
so, this box.
I know y'all like. Get back to the box, please.
Okay. So the box, if you pay monthly, it's $129.95. If you pay 3 months in advance, it's $119.95 a box. If you pay 6 months in advance, it's $109.95 a box. If you pay for a year in advance, it's $99.95 a box. Now, for
you done?
To close it and save it for save myself. That's actually something I like, and that's insane.
Okay, she don't like no alcohol, y'all. Nothing.
I actually like that one.
Okay, damn.
That is actually tasty. Robb, y'all got me this time.
Okay, I ain't heard her say this my whole in 30 years of my life. I ain't never heard her say she like.
Only did you get me my fondue that I've been wanting. Now I'm gonna go to melting pot because I know they sell their recipes online.
Okay.
I'm gonna get some of their recipes and start making me some fondue. But then you found liquor that I like. What?
Okay.
Y'all been stalking me.
All right now,
Vices. Okay. So you got you a melting pot. You got you 4 stainless steel forks. You got the walnut liquor, the cookies, the marshmallows, and the melting chocolate. So we're going to talk about the most expensive price. So for $129, do you think this box was worth it?
I mean, you don't have nothing else to do with your money, yeah. Like if I had a lot of money and I could just blow it on stuff, yeah.
Me personally, I've always wanted a fondue pot, and the fact you found me one that I don't need to have a separate burner for, I can just put it on my oven and get to work. I'll get it put on top of my stove, and then I can take whatever's left over and just put it right back in my fridge, and maybe make a broth. And you got me a little pour on the side so I can pour it. And that's right here is $125, and you actually found liquor that I like.
Yeah.
To me, you guys hit the money on this one.
Okay.
I like this box.
I like this. This is my favorite box, but I just like sweet stuff, chocolate. So it would have been, but
yeah, it's the one we got the fruit log, the fig log from the other time, man.
I remember that.
That
was a funny looking log.
Especially when you put it right in my face.
I was like, but yeah.
And it was hooded.
Oh my gosh, I never heard of that before. Okay, that's y'all have to look at our previous videos to understand. Anyways, or don't.
Please don't.
Yeah.
So yes, this was completely worth it for me. As soon as I opened the box, because this box doesn't come with prices, so I always have to open it to do a price comparison for you guys and give you guys a price list. So as soon as I opened, I sent pictures to my mom and dad. Said, "Oh my gosh, I got a fondue set. Who's ready to do some fondue?" And they was like, "We own it. We own it."
Oh, congratulations to our father, who is now retired as of the 1st.
Yes, January 1st.
Yeah, and
he's officially retired.
How old is Dad? 60?
No. He
61.
I'm 39, which makes him 61.
Isn't that cool, you guys? That he's healthy. He doesn't have any serious illnesses or even minor ones that I know of. So
just crazy.
And he still works out and gets up and does everything he wants to do, just like a younger person. So we're excited for him that he gets to retire and still have a full life to live. So
yes, okay.
Because a lot of times when you retire, you be half dead. I mean, well, technically, but you know what I mean. You feel half dead. Like you already messed up, but he's in good condition and able to get up and move and do what he want. And so we happy for him. So congratulations, Dad.
Congratulations, Dad.
Retirement, because it's well deserved. I know he's been working since he was a kid.
Yeah.
I don't know,
I
like
think 12.
yeah, like a kid.
Yeah. He was sweeping up hair in the barber shop for money.
Yeah. And then I think he was like picking up trash at National Park Service for National Park Service, but then he ended up being like a computer programmer or web page developer for National Park Service.
Yeah, that's when he
so
retired.
A whole full circle type thing. So just congratulations on all your success and your well deserved retirement. Just had to put that out there.
Yes.
But okay.
Oh my goodness.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Y'all got the gist of it.
Love this box, by the
Let
way.
us know in the comments how you feel
She
about
loves it if you can afford it. I just love it.
I'm just so cheap, y'all. I don't have it like that. Like, I would just go buy me a candy bar and some Moscato.
I've had Moscato before. It's disgusting. Moscato's disgusting.
I get a candy bar, some Moscato.
Moscato's
That'd be about $14.
Moscato's disgusting.
But you know, this is way more. This is, you know, this is cooler. This is cooler and it's
Tastier. Okay.
well. She just go ahead and get faded right on here with y'all. I've never seen this. And in our family who knows her, I know they like, what? Because Tiffany don't drink. She does not drink. She can't stand the taste of it. I can't either, but I want to feel it. So I'm going to drink it. But she won't even drink just to feel it.
Feel something now.
Yeah. Well, I'll be watching this.
What's it? Oh man, it's only 21%
I'm going to put
proof.
a marker on the video over it. If it's too damn low tomorrow.
It's only 21% proof.
Who gonna sell her? Who gonna sell her? But okay.
Y'all can tell me in the comments below. So like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. Tell us what you really think of the box.
Yeah.
And as always, in life, there is black and white. But with us, you get a
shade
of gray. Possibly a little faded.
Hey!
Bye, guys.